Ya Allah. Ih. Oh, pindah. Panda. Cook buddae jiggae, which is onion stew. So these are the ingredients that you need. Let's just get right onto it, you know. And had left the people of earth. And just cut continuously. And people will travel there and they'll relocate there and they'll settle there, and says that Medina better for them if they only knew. But nonetheless, the virtues of Isham are undeniable. The Prophet ﷺ, that is where the earthquakes are. And that is where the fitna are. And from there emerges the head of Satan. But not only that, interestingly and amazingly, Asham is a large place for the righteousness of God. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that particular region. The people, they look at the Middle East and they say, man, that place is full of conflict. There's been conflict for thousands of years. And, yes and no. And it is indicative of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala testing them and bringing them back to that particular region, so that there will always be a host of people from this Ummah or upon them. They are not affected by those who forsake them, those people who surrender them, those people who go against. That Muawiyah said, I heard Rasulullah sallallahu they're not going to change their religion. If everybody lets go of the rope of Allah, they're going to hold on. It's not going to change. And yet, Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan was told, Ibn Jabal said, those people are in Asham. And the reality is, with this particular hadith, you'll find that my place in the year 638, 638 was for Ubayd to live. There's 40 years in between and there are over 1,000 years. He told him, he said, you have sent me to a servant who does not want to die. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told the angel of death, and he said, return. And then he found there is a wicked the life that no one would ever have other than him. And the Prophet said, and he gave anything to him except to pray. Except that they leave that message having their sins forgiven like the day their mother gave birth. The Prophet says, take that. They opened the rock. The Prophet or Umar or Abu Bakr created it for a political reason, not for a religious reason. The political reason was that Abu Bakr had a contender for the Khilafah. And that contender was in Mecca. That's the son of the Zubayr, Awan, the great companion himself, Abdullah ibn Zubayr. And so people would go to Hajj in Mecca, of course, and they would meet Abdullah ibn Zubayr. This guy is contesting him for the Khilafah. Abu Bakr wants to divert people away from going to Hajj. And so what does he do? He builds this building over Bayt al-Maqdis. Because what does Asham have? Asham has Bayt al-Maqdis. Because you guys, copyright issues, I can't display the music on the video itself, and I kind of forgot about it.
if I remembered, I wouldn't have on the song actually, honestly. But I was really feeling like listening to TXT's new album. It's really good, guys. Check it out if you guys have not. But if you guys don't like K-pop or whatever, then it's fine. But yeah, today I'm picking a trade. The previous video I pulled Subin, and then I put him up for trade to Yeonjun. But in less than a minute, people already like 3 people already texted me about it. But of course, first come first serve, I use the one that is like easiest to deal with. So yeah, we're trading. Good thing about trading is that we don't have to use money. But if the member itself we're trading to is a more the market price is lesser, then the person has to top up. But for Subin to Yeonjun, usually we don't do top ups because honestly it's not that much of a difference. But sometimes Subin's PC is a bit more higher or Yeonjun market price PC is a bit higher, so then top ups are needed. But thankfully, thank God, Lullaby PC, both of them are $10 for Subin and Yeonjun. So we don't need to top up, so we can trade. I don't need to buy any PC yet. And I'm currently waiting for my normal album set because I want to see who I pulled, and I'm honestly so scared. If you guys don't know, I collect Yeonjun, and the thing about me is like once I start collecting, I won't pull the members. Like before I start collecting, like I will get so lucky, I'll get Yeonjun, I got this, I got that. And then once I start collecting, you just don't get it. Like I think that's like maybe it's mostly the same problem for all collectors. Like for some reason they don't want to come home. Sometimes I do get lucky, sometimes I don't. But yeah, this is my just packing. I'm writing some letters and giving the freebies away. Yeah, that's all basically.